What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you a few features in your Toyota Tacoma. This is a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD 4x4 and it has a few cool features, so let me show you. Okay, so actually the first feature here is in the back seat here, the back headrest, and it's actually super cool. So check this out. So you want to hit the button and lift it, and then after you lift it, it drops down, and this improves the visibility while you're looking in your rear view mirror. You can see better out of the back. Feature back here is that actually when you pull the seat bottoms down, you got two holes, and these holes you can actually pull the headrest and set it in here and before you fold the back seat. So I'm doing this one-handed. I'm gonna grab this and then I can okay, flip it. There it is. Check this out. And then now you can grab the seat back and drop it down, and you have a nice flat hard surface for everything, and you can fold that seat same way. Very cool. Okay, another thing back here that you can slide the seat belt here after you fold the seat so it doesn't rattle, but yeah. Okay, actually another super cool feature here, if you switch on the menu with these buttons right here, you can get the pitch and the roll of the vehicle when you're off-roading. And if you're going slightly uphill or downhill, even when you're just driving on the streets, it will show you your angle. It's very cool, so check this out. Like here I'm going uphill, and you will see the pitch change on the truck right there. See that? Going slightly uphill. Okay, another cool feature actually that you can turn on and off the wireless charging pad with this button. I think this is very cool if you want to throw something here and you don't want an electricity underneath it, powered down all the time, so you can actually turn it off. In other cars you can never turn it off. Like I actually owned a Tesla, the wireless charger was all the time on, and when I put my phone on it, it would overheat. So this is actually super handy. Okay, another feature is plenty of storage, and Tacomas, they say they have a lot of storage, so let's try and find all of them. And we are looking for hidden storage, not just storage. So here in the back, if you fold the seats up, look at that. You got lots of storage here and there. And if you fold the seats down, you'll get even more storage back here. Look, this is a brand new truck, so it's still got all the original bells and whistles. I'm not sure what these are. These are for the bed, probably. Okay, so storage upon storage. Put these back. And then if you go to the bed, you also have more hidden storage. Check this out. Very cool. But you can easily lose this though. But it's still cool. I like it. Another feature is that you have electricity plug here, 120 volts. And some of them come equipped with bed lights here, but this one doesn't look like it has it. Okay, so these are actually not a hidden feature or anything, but they're actually pretty cool. Two things I want to highlight here. One is the heated mirrors. I think this is super cool. You can heat the side mirrors, and this one is for the back window, so you can open and close the back window with this button. I mean, this is nothing hidden or crazy, but I think they're very cool features they're worthy to highlight them. Okay, and actually this truck just received an update. This is as of September of 2023, and it's got the Wi-Fi app. So right now you can connect it to Wi-Fi, which is very cool. I'm not gonna leave it searching for Wi-Fi. And you can have remote connect, which is actually super cool. This truck had no apps for some reason. Now it got the update, it has Wi-Fi and remote connect, which is, I think, is super handy, especially when you're parked at home. You want to use the Wi-Fi instead of whatever network it has, and you can just do updates, use the apps, and so on and so forth. Very cool. Okay, lastly here, actually in the instrument cluster, you see this pin here. You can actually twist it to adjust brightness of the instrument cluster. I think this is very cool. It's usually a knob that you spin. Here it's like button forward, button backwards. Very, very nice. Actually, another cool feature of the Toyota Tacoma is that when you remove the gas cap here, you can just hang it in this clip here, and it holds, and so it doesn't flap down here and you know, create issues or scratch your paint or whatever. Very cool. Okay, so these were some of the cool features of this brand new Toyota Tacoma. If you learned something today, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe down there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.